As part of your A-level syllabus, you do need to know how to prove that there are infinite prime numbers. I'm going to show you how to do that using contradiction. So you want to firstly start by assuming that there are finite prime numbers. This would be your first mark. We can define the prime numbers as P1, P2, P3 all the way up to Pn. Next, what we're going to do is multiply all of these together and just add 1. So let P be equal to all of these multiplied plus 1. So we've just created a new number, which you can do, and we're going to show that this number is basically prime. If it's prime, we have directly led to a contradiction. However, you also have to go down the route if it's not prime. If it's not prime, it will have prime factors. But if you try to divide P by any of the prime factors, P1, P2, P3, up to Pn, what you'll find is that you will have a remainder because we've got this plus 1 here. Because we have a remainder, it can't be divisible by prime factors, and therefore we have led to a contradiction. This step here could be up to 1 to 2 marks, and then what you have to do for the final mark is conclude. You can say that P plus 1 has no prime factors, therefore it is prime, and so we can conclude that there are infinite prime numbers through contradiction. This would be your final mark. Now, this probably doesn't really make too much sense yet, so I'm going to just kind of explain this in terms of real numbers, but you can't do this in your proof. This is just helping you out. Let's say in our case, we're assuming that there are finite prime numbers. I'm just going to say 2, 3, 5, and 7 are the only prime numbers that exist. If we multiply these all together and add 1, we've got 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 gives 210. We add 1, that's 211. 211 can't be divisible by 2, 3, 5, or 7. And so if it doesn't have prime factors and it's only divisible by itself and 1, it's prime. And therefore we've contradicted ourselves by just making a new number, which you can do. So yeah, I hope this numerical example helps make it make sense.